Beltline is essential for whenever you're doing a restoration, so you don't have your glass rattling. Gives a nice smooth surface for your glass to run through. And if you got a nice 32 Roadster that has a straight edge, it goes on just like this, and that's fine. But if you have a 57 Chevy hardtop, that rear quarter panel has a bend in it. So we're going to show you how to put that bend in. So this project's pretty simple. It just takes a little bit of patience. For all we're going to use is a can, just a round can, some tin snips, and a piece of cardboard. So whenever you're bending your belt line, you want the curvature to match whatever shape that body line is in. So if you have a template of that, that'd be the best case. For this demonstration, we're going to use a can to use the bending. If you have that template and you can cut out some plywood so you can get an exact match, that's even better. But the principle is going to be the same. Whenever we bend this, we want this stainless bead to start sliding off the edge whenever bring it around, because that radius is becoming smaller. So I like to have a piece of cardboard here so I can press down on it. And just slowly work that around. And you can see where the stainless is sliding off. And it's easiest if you have a bit of leverage to work your way around. So really, the more angle that you have, rather the part where the angle starts as compared to the straight portion of your glass, maybe you start on that end first. Once we get close to the curve that we're wanting the belt line to match for the body, if we need to bend it a little bit farther, we can. We just want to make sure that it doesn't kink and that stainless keeps moving, because that's the key to the whole thing. So whenever you're done and you've got the angle that you want, just take a pair of tin snips, cut that stainless off, and then you've got your finished belt line. If you like this video, give it the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit that little bell so you get a notification whenever we upload a new video to our YouTube channel.